Hello, ladies, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Natalia Bliss, singer, pianist, and vocal technique teacher. Today, we're going to do my favorite exercises for singing high notes. In this video, we'll only be doing practical exercises, so I recommend watching my theory video on how to sing high notes first. I've linked it here. Before practicing your high notes, I always recommend doing some basic warm-up exercises. It can be a warm-up according to your vocal range: contralto, mezzo-soprano, soprano. It's in my vocal playlist. Let's start with lip trills to warm up our voice. In this exercise, you don't have to strain your voice. You need to smoothly transition from chest voice to head voice. All I ask is that you try to keep your voice in the nasal resonator. Let's do it like this.
Respira bien. Siente tu nariz. Un poquito más, sopranos.
Remember that you have to follow 3 important points of belting in the technique of singing high notes with power. First, you have to inhale the air correctly and support your sound. Second, you have to create the pharyngeal space, vocal opening. And third, you have to project the sound into the resonators. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. The next exercise is, we're going to do it with the sensation of an angry voice. This anger will help us lower our larynx slightly and create this vocal opening, creating space inside our mouth. Don't forget to support your voice and feel it in the resonator. This exercise sounds like this. You'll need to be very focused to do several things at once. You have to support all the air here. You shouldn't release all the air at once because air can be your biggest enemy when singing high notes. So release it very gradually. Keep the sound angry with a lowered larynx. And you should feel it here as if it were an angry cry.
Vamos, chicas. No sueltes el aire.
And even when you transition to your head voice, keep doing the same thing. Keep maintaining this pharyngeal space and keep the sound in the resonator. It shouldn't sound airy, no. Because that means you've released all the air. Try to conserve your air. Let's try going a little higher.
Y una más.
When you sing your high notes, it's very important to redirect your voice from your throat to the mask, the resonators. Physically, you should feel like you're lifting your voice upward. Otherwise, you'll end up shouting those notes. Instead of singing, you'll strain your throat. We need to avoid that. So, it's also very useful to practice nasal exercises, even really nasal ones. Please don't worry if it sounds ugly and nasal. It's okay. We are training our voice. It's just an exercise. Let's make the sound super exaggerated.
Ni, 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 ni.
But like this, very exaggerated, starting from down here, also.
Ni, 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 ni. Solo suena la nariz. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. La nariz. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Un poquito más. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Ni, 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 ni. Y una más. Ni, 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 ni.
I know that singing those high notes may seem complicated, but I assure you that many times you'll have to come back to these 3 points: the air, the vocal opening, and the projection. Usually, there's always some issue with one of these 3 points. Okay, the next exercise is...
Hey, fuego.
This exercise sounds...
Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego.
It's very important that you start this hey directly in the nose. Please don't try to shout it because this sound can harm you. Don't do it like that.
Hey, hey.
Instead, begin by crying out this sound. Start this note directly from the nose.
Hey, hey, hey. Vamos. Hey, hey, fuego. Aire. Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego. Sentimos la nariz. Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego. Abre la boca bien también. Hey, hey, fuego. 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 Hey, hey, fuego.
All right, another exercise is...
Ma.
This consonant MMM will also help us a lot in projecting the sound into the resonator.
Ma.
You should feel it here.
Suena así. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, 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 ma.
The larynx is slightly lowered. You need to maintain this pharyngeal space, this opening inside your mouth. This exercise sounds like this.
Vamos. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Aire. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Poco más. Me, 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 me.
And finally, we do the exercise.
Sale el sol.
In this exercise, you'll have to attack the first note. It sounds like this.
Sale el sol. 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 Empieza empieza a llorar este sonido. Sale el sol. Sale el sol. Sale el sol. Sale el sol. Un poquito más. Sale el sol. 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 Una más. Sale el sol.
I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep improving your vocal technique. Kisses.